Hey everyone, Kevin here. So we just got everything set up to do a little bit of recording of some of the birds come in and then the rain started in. So I thought I'd take my cell phone and kind of give you an idea of how we set some things up for recording our wildlife that comes up to the window. So we have the Canon camera. I don't know if I can get this clear in. Almost. Anyway, we got the Canon camera set up to zoom in on the birds that come into that bird feeder out there. And then we got the GoPro with the wide angle setting on it and zoomed in a little bit to catch the two trough feeders here. So if there was a little less rain today, I think we'd have quite a few more birds come in. There's still some coming to the gazebo feeder out there. But anyway, I just wanted to do this video to give you an idea of how we set things up to record out of our window. Definitely a cold rain too, because I went out earlier to try to clean the window off a little bit before we started recording. So anyway, we might catch some birds with this, and I'll put this part of the video at the beginning so you guys can get an idea of how we set up. So from Missouri Clark Life, hope you enjoy this video and talk to you later. Bye bye.